we introduced the aluminum tools for equipment breaker.
Anodized slivers and mat beds is popular as the customer choose on the products. Telescope tube in 0.1 mm tolerance, move flexible in and out. Samples installed for customer check the quality. Different projects of our customer use for camera, live broadcast equipment, telescope, telephotos SLR. The weakest hardness of aluminum tools is 12 degrees, suitable for indoor, outdoor, valuable equipment, heavy equipment.
Package details. Each profile is packed into the PE bag, help to protect the surface shipment.
Contact us to customize your design.